Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Friends Forever. As many of my friends asked about data entry jobs without any investment, today I am going to tell you about a website where you can find not only data entry jobs but also Photoshop, video editing and many such related jobs. Let me tell you how to make money and withdraw them easily. Do watch fully for complete details. If you haven't subscribed our channel before, do subscribe for many updates. Okay friends, let's get into it. The name of the website is Work and Hire. It is an Indian website friends and it is 100% trusted website. In this Work and Hire website, let me tell you about the various jobs available and how to withdraw the amount from them easily. It is a freelance website, that is the job will be posted and you can select the job based on your desire and comfortable. It is purely based on your choice. There are many such freelance websites available worldwide. For example, there is a website called freelance.com. It is the number one website, but we can join in that. But it is not comfortable for freshers as it is very complicated. But this is an Indian website and we can find it comfortable and make money easily. There is also options such as you can post the jobs if you want people to work for you. You can also pay them securely. You can hire talents very easily. By clicking on this button, post your jobs, it's free. You can post your jobs and you can choose the skills you are good at from various domains specified here. There are domains such as .NET programmers, Photoshop, animation, video editing, email advertising, normal advertising, marketing and etc. You can select your comfortable domain and start working immediately. To sign up in this website, click on the link I have given on the description page. By clicking on it, you get directed to this Work and Hire website. Once you get into it, click on the sign up button. Clicking on the sign up button, it asks you for individual or company. If you are working as a 4 to 5 people group, then you can select company or else you can click individual. I am clicking on individual. As I clicked individual, I have directed to this page. The first step is to give your username and your email address. It accepts only lowercase usernames, uppercase will not be accepted. Give the combination of lowercase and numbers. Then you give your email address and click agree and submit friends. The second is your profile updation friends. If you want to update your profile, you can proceed, or else if you wish to update it later, click skip. If you are going to update your profile, click on the image and add your profile picture. In the tagline, you can give your skills you require such as data entry, Photoshop, etc. You can also enter the number of hours you are going to work. At the beginning, you can give the minimum number of hours. Then you give your contact information, occupation, job required and the year of experience. You can also invite your friends by clicking on this, but it is not necessary as per now. You just give skip and continue. Once you are giving this, check your email. You will get a verification link. By clicking on it, your email gets verified and you can proceed your job. Once you are logged in, your dashboard will look like this. Keep your profile summary 100%. To make it 100%, click on edit profile. Give everything they ask and you can start working. Give your details if you haven't updated your profile picture before and your occupational details and any other. Just give them and you can start working immediately. To start your work, click on the work button displayed on the top and it takes you to the job page. Here you can see the number of jobs available. You can work on any time as you wish and as you are comfortable. The client can be from both India and abroad. There are many jobs available as listed here. You can select the job as your desired friends. For example, I am giving data entry jobs. There are not only data entry jobs, there are many such jobs available. I am clicking data entry jobs. You can search jobs based on your skills. In the others option, you have the job description where you can find the description of the job. Bidding is nothing but the people applied for this job already. Here they have mentioned that the budget is less than 5,000. Means that they are asking whether you can make this job completed for less than 5,000. Here you can give your information such as experience, name, etc. on your profile completion. After clicking on this page, as you see that budget, in this box you can give your desired amount. For example, you can give 3000, 4000, 2000, etc. Here, after giving the amount, click preview and post. It previews what you have entered and all the details. Then you can proceed to post. Once you are posted, the job owner just review your details. If they are comfortable with your details, once they accept, you can withdraw your amount after completing your task. Once you done your job, you can click on the payment button to check your payments. The payment button is available at the top. As you click on it, there are two withdrawal methods such as NEFT transfer, that is direct bank transfer. Once your job done, the owner will send you directly to your bank account by linking your bank account to this method. Other one is the work and hire transfer, and work and hire transfers your amount in this method. You can add your bank account and get paid. At the beginning, you may find it difficult, friends, but as your success rate increased, you will get more job offers and earn more money easily. You can ask your queries directly through the website. They will respond you immediately as you enter your queries. If you like our video, do like it and share them. Don't forget to subscribe, friends. Thank you for watching.